Have you ever wondered if one simple drink each morning could help reduce belly fat and ease bloating without pills or strict diets? Imagine looking in the mirror in just 10 days and seeing a flatter, lighter stomach. Would you give it a try? If you're over 50 and waking up feeling heavy, sluggish, or uncomfortable, you're not alone. Millions silently struggle with digestion and stubborn belly fat every day. But here's the good news. You don't need to overhaul your life to take back control. Small changes, like one powerful morning drink, can make a big difference. In this video, you'll discover a gentle, natural remedy made from 5 everyday ingredients, plus one essential daily habit that supports digestion, fat burning, and energy. You'll learn exactly how to combine warm water, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, ginger, and cinnamon, and when to drink it for the best effect. This isn't a trendy detox. It's a time-tested, science-backed morning routine designed especially for seniors who want to feel lighter, stronger, and more in control. Leave a comment with the city you're watching from and let Senior Health Guide know what health goal you're focused on right now. You're not alone on this journey. It's never too late to rebuild your strength and reclaim your energy, especially with natural tools that work with your body, not against it. You can start saving yourself today. Here's a fascinating fact. According to a 2023 review from the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health, warm water before breakfast improves digestion and may even help regulate appetite hormones. Let's explore how this one glass each morning can be your easiest first step to feeling better. Starting your day with a glass of warm water might seem simple, but it's one of the most powerful habits for boosting senior health and mobility. When you drink warm water first thing in the morning, it gently wakes up your digestive system, hydrates your body, and supports nutrient absorption. Just like warming up before a walk prepares your muscles. Warm water works by relaxing the smooth muscles in your stomach and intestines, making digestion smoother and helping prevent bloating, constipation, and sluggish bowels. According to the National Institute on Aging, hydration is a key factor in digestion and overall healthy aging, especially in adults over 50. A 2022 review by Johns Hopkins Medicine also confirmed that warm water can improve circulation and metabolism in older adults. To apply this easily at home, try starting your day with 1-2 cups of comfortably warm water, like tea, but without the tea bag. Add a slice of lemon for extra vitamin C, or enjoy it plain before breakfast. Sip slowly and allow your body to feel the gentle warmth. Many seniors find that this habit helps them feel lighter, more energized, and ready to move through their day. Joan, a 68-year-old retired teacher, says it's her secret to smoother mornings and fewer stomach upsets. A helpful tip: avoid cold water right after waking. It can shock your system. Instead, use filtered water and heat it slightly in a kettle or microwave until it's just warm. This small act supports senior health by boosting hydration, preventing muscle loss, and easing mobility through better digestion and metabolism. When repeated daily, it quietly strengthens your body from the inside out. You have the power to take control of your senior health and stay strong after 50. Sometimes the simplest habits are the ones that last and make the biggest difference. Apple cider vinegar may look like a humble kitchen staple, but it's one of the most valuable tools for senior health and digestion over 50. Just 1 tablespoon in the morning, mixed with warm water, helps your body balance blood sugar, reduce belly fat, and improve nutrient absorption naturally. Its secret lies in acetic acid, a powerful compound that slows the release of sugar into your bloodstream and boosts fat-burning metabolism. The Harvard Medical School confirms that apple cider vinegar improves insulin sensitivity and may assist in managing blood sugar after meals. A 2021 NHA report also found that vinegar may reduce LDL cholesterol and support healthy weight management in older adults. To apply this at home, mix 1 tablespoon of raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar with a warm glass of water before breakfast. You can also drizzle it over salads or cooked vegetables. Start with small amounts to get your body used to it gently. Many seniors find it helps curb cravings and reduce bloating. Margaret, 72, says her apple cider water is her midday reset. A small tip: always rinse your mouth after drinking it or use a straw. This helps protect tooth enamel from acidity. This simple habit supports healthy aging, prevents muscle loss, and improves metabolism, especially when paired with gentle movement and clean eating. For senior health and mobility, apple cider vinegar can be a quiet, daily helper, working from the inside out. You have the power to take control of your senior health and support healthy aging with just 1 spoon a day. Fresh lemon juice is more than just a tangy flavor. It's a daily dose of vitamin C that supports senior health, digestion, and natural detox. Adding just 2-3 tablespoons of lemon juice to your warm morning water helps stimulate digestion, reduce bloating, and gently support your metabolism. The natural acids in lemon activate your salivary glands and stomach lining, encouraging the body to release digestive enzymes that improve nutrient breakdown. A 2020 article from Johns Hopkins Medicine notes that lemon water supports liver function and may help reduce inflammation in the gut. And Harvard Health Publishing highlights that vitamin C from citrus can improve immune defense and protect aging cells from oxidative stress. At home, squeeze half a lemon into your warm water or add lemon slices to your afternoon tea or salad dressing. Some seniors even blend lemon juice with olive oil and herbs for a refreshing dressing that's light and easy on digestion. Mary, 75, uses lemon water mid-morning to feel refreshed. She says it's her wake-up call for the belly on slow days. To boost benefits, choose organic lemons and wash them well. Store extras in the fridge or freeze slices for convenience. Lemon juice fits naturally into a healthy aging lifestyle by supporting hydration, mobility, and preventing muscle loss through better absorption. It's a simple, uplifting way to care for your body and energize digestion, perfect for those focused on muscle strength and long-term vitality. You have the power to take control of your senior health and stay strong after 50. Start with 1 fresh lemon at a time. Ginger may look like an ordinary root, but it's one of nature's most trusted tools for supporting senior health, digestion, and inflammation relief. Just half a teaspoon of fresh or grated ginger added to your morning drink can soothe your stomach and reduce discomfort after meals. Ginger contains gingerol, a natural anti-inflammatory compound that helps calm the digestive system and ease tension in muscles, joints, and internal organs. A study published by Cleveland Clinic shows ginger helps reduce nausea, bloating, and improves gut motility in aging adults. National Institutes of Health, NIH, research also suggests ginger may support immunity and help manage age inflammation with regular use. At home, you can add fresh ginger slices to warm lemon water, blend it into smoothies, or brew it into a calming herbal tea. Try combining ginger with honey and cinnamon for a delicious morning tonic that supports both energy and digestion. Mr. Walter, 70, says a small cup of ginger tea in the morning helps him feel grounded and less stiff throughout the day. For convenience, peel and freeze fresh ginger in small cubes, ready to drop into tea or water when needed. Ginger supports healthy aging by easing inflammation, aiding digestion, and encouraging gentle movement through joint comfort and improved metabolism. It's a warming, comforting habit that fits perfectly into a mobility-friendly, muscle-preserving routine for seniors. You have the power to take control of your senior health. Sometimes it starts with a small slice of ginger and a warm mug. Cinnamon, the sweet, grounding spice from tree bark, is a powerful daily ally for senior health, digestion, and maintaining blood sugar balance naturally. Just a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon added to your morning drink or sprinkled on food can help improve metabolism and reduce belly fat over time. Cinnamon contains cinnamaldehyde, a natural compound that supports insulin sensitivity and helps your body process sugar more efficiently without sharp spikes. According to the University of Oxford Medical Sciences Division, cinnamon may reduce visceral fat and support long-term metabolic balance in adults over 60. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, also notes cinnamon may play a role in improving gut health and lowering inflammation. At home, you can add ground cinnamon to your lemon water, oatmeal smoothies, or stir it into warm herbal tea for a spicy touch. Try mixing cinnamon with honey and yogurt for a gut-friendly breakfast or use it in roasted vegetables for a warming lunch option. Anna, 67, sprinkles cinnamon on her coffee every morning. It helps keep her cravings low and energy steady through the day. For best results, use true Ceylon cinnamon, known for its purity. Store it in a cool, dark place to maintain its healing power. Cinnamon fits beautifully into any healthy aging lifestyle by supporting blood sugar control, mobility, and preventing muscle loss through improved nutrient delivery. It's a warm, delicious habit that adds joy and protection to your daily meals, especially helpful for seniors managing energy, digestion, and metabolism. You have the power to take control of your senior health and stay strong after 50. Sometimes all it takes is a pinch of spice. The timing of when you drink this blend is just as important as the ingredients. Morning on an empty stomach brings the best results. Drinking it before breakfast allows your digestive system to fully absorb its benefits, helping your body detox, burn fat, and reduce bloating. This quiet morning habit activates your metabolism and signals your body to begin producing enzymes that support smoother digestion throughout the day. According to Mayo Clinic, hydration and digestive priming in the morning enhance nutrient absorption and improve gut efficiency, especially in older adults. Stanford University School of Medicine also found that morning routines with light hydration can help regulate appetite hormones and reduce unhealthy cravings. To apply this at home, prepare the drink with warm water, lemon, ginger, cinnamon, and apple cider vinegar. Drink slowly, 20-30 minutes before eating. If your stomach feels sensitive, start with half portions, then gradually increase as your body adjusts to the new routine. Many seniors, like Peter, 74, enjoy sipping this drink on their porch. It's become a calming ritual to start the day feeling lighter and focused. And avoid drinking it too close to bedtime. It may stimulate digestion and keep you alert instead of helping you wind down. You can repeat this drink for 10 days, then take a 3-day break before beginning again. It gives your body time to reset. This habit fits beautifully into any healthy aging routine, supporting muscle strength, mobility, and steady energy with each gentle morning dose. You have the power to take control of your senior health. Start each day with intention and let nature support your strength from within. Here's a gentle recap to help you remember the simple, powerful steps we've shared to support senior health and embrace healthy aging every day. Warm water. Start your morning with warm water to soothe digestion, hydrate your body, and gently awaken your system from the inside out. Apple cider vinegar. A spoon a day supports blood sugar balance, metabolism, and reduces bloating, making it a small habit with big results. Lemon juice, full of vitamin C, it boosts digestion, reduces inflammation, and supports nutrient absorption for better nutrition for seniors. Ginger, calms the stomach, reduces discomfort, and gently relieves joint stiffness, perfect for staying comfortable and mobile throughout the day. Cinnamon, helps regulate blood sugar, curb cravings, and protect your cells, adding flavor and function to your daily routine. Morning timing. Drinking this blend on an empty stomach primes your metabolism, supports enzyme activity, and sets a calm, focused tone for the day. With consistency, these 6 habits create a gentle rhythm that helps you feel lighter, stronger, and more energized as you stay strong after 50. You truly have the power to take control of your health, one glass, one morning, one gentle step at a time. It's never too late to rebuild strength and regain independence. We'd love to hear from you. What part of today's healthy morning habit are you most excited to try for your own senior health journey? Leave a comment below and share your thoughts, or tell us, which tip will you try first to improve your digestion or muscle strength? If this video inspired you, be sure to subscribe to Senior Health Guide for more uplifting, easy-to-follow tips on healthy aging every single week. You'll find simple routines, smart nutrition for seniors, and motivating habits to help you stay strong after 50 and enjoy life on your terms. Let's keep growing stronger together. Your health story is just beginning, and we're here to support you every step of the way.